Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a true tropical treasure that many of you probably already have in your kitchen. But it's also a superstar for your beauty routine. I'm talking about coconut oil. This fragrant, creamy oil, extracted from the meat of mature coconuts, isn't just delicious in your cooking. It's packed with amazing benefits for your skin and hair. Let's dive into why coconut oil is so fantastic for your skin. First off, it's an incredible moisturizer. If you suffer from dry patches, rough elbows, or just want an all-over glow, coconut oil is your friend. It's rich in fatty acids, especially lauric acid, which easily penetrates the skin, providing deep hydration and helping to lock in moisture. It creates a protective barrier that keeps your skin feeling soft and supple. Think of it like a natural shield that keeps your skin from drying out, leaving it feeling incredibly smooth and nourished. Many people use it as a body moisturizer right after a shower, or even as a natural makeup remover. It works wonders. But its benefits don't stop at just moisturizing. Coconut oil also has natural antimicrobial properties, thanks again to that lauric acid. This means it can help fight off certain bacteria and fungi that can cause skin issues. So, if you're prone to minor irritations or just want to keep your skin healthy and clear, a little coconut oil can be a great addition to your routine. It's gentle enough for most skin types, but always do a small patch test first, just in case. Now, let's talk about coconut oil for your hair. If you've ever dreamed of shiny, strong, and healthy hair, listen up. Coconut oil is a fantastic hair treatment because its unique structure allows it to penetrate the hair shaft more effectively than many other oils. This deep penetration means it can help reduce protein loss from your hair, which is a major cause of damage. You can use it as a pre-shampoo treatment, applying it to your hair and scalp an hour or even overnight before washing. This helps to condition your hair, prevent frizz, and add an amazing shine. It's especially good for dry, damaged, or frizzy hair, leaving it feeling incredibly soft and manageable. It's like giving your hair a luxurious spa treatment right at home. Some people even use a tiny amount as a leave-in conditioner on dry ends to tame flyaways and add a healthy gleam. So, whether you're looking for a natural moisturizer for your skin, a soothing balm for dryness, or a deep conditioning treatment for your hair, grab some coconut oil. It's a versatile, natural solution that can help you look and feel your best, head to toe. Have you tried using coconut oil in your beauty routine? Let me know your favorite uses in the comments below.